Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to block companies from seeing you on LinkedIn. So guys, sadly, as of today, you cannot block the company from viewing your profile in LinkedIn. So guys, LinkedIn has no option to block a company. So in order for you to do that, you have to unfollow or report the company to stop seeing their post on LinkedIn, or you can also report a company ad to remove ads from your feed. And another option that you have, guys, is you can just simply search people from the company individually and manually. So guys, you have to search their name, and you can just simply manually block the employees. So guys, overall, blocking companies on LinkedIn requires a manual work. Or guys, what you could try to do is just simply deactivate your account and just simply create a new one. Or guys, another option that you have is just simply go to linkedin.com, and from here just simply go to your profile. And once you are on your profile, just simply go click on public profile and URL over here on the right side and click on the pencil icon. And from here you should be able to see edit visibility. And from here you should be able to turn this off so your account will be private. That's simply about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.